Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen Transporter Kombi. It's a short wheelbase, it's a Highline model, it's fitted with a 150 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 6-speed manual gearbox. This is a 68 plate approved van that has been through its 112 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the van, carried out by one of our expert technicians. And now for a walk around the van. To the front of the van, you'll notice halogen daytime running headlights. In the lower part of the bumper, you will notice fog lights. In the centre grille, you'll notice a nice chrome strip. This van is also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, but this system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the van, you will notice that this van is fitted with 16-inch alloy wheels. All the wheels are in superb condition. Moving up, you will notice that the mirror caps and door handles are painted in body colour. To this side of the van, you will notice a near side sliding door. You'll also notice privacy glass with slide opening windows. I've now opened the sliding door so you can see the back of the Kombi. As you can see, there's 3 comfortable seats with Isofix anchorage points. This is ideal for the correct child seat. To this side of the van, you will notice privacy glass with a sliding window. At the back of the van, you will notice that this van is fitted with a rear tailgate with heated rear window and rear wash wipe. Across the rear bumper, you will notice rear parking sensors. You'll also notice the rear bumper has a bumper protector. On the rear tailgate, you will notice a transporter badge and the VW emblem in the centre of the tailgate. I've now opened the rear tailgate so you can see inside the load area. As you can see, it's in superb condition. Moving across the floor, you will notice load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. You can also take out the rear seats if needed for more space. Here we have the rear tailgate. This van looks stunning in Reflex silver. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches. Both doors are fitted with some handy storage, as you can see. Moving across the dash, you will notice cup holders and some more handy storage. This Kombi is fitted with 5 comfortable seats in Simora cloth. Both front seats are fitted with armrest for added comfort on long journeys. I've now finished my 360 walk around the Kombi. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you some controls inside the interior and also the centre media screen. I am now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, you will notice mirror and electric window controls. This van is fitted with auto headlights. Moving back to the steering wheel, you'll notice media controls. To this side, you will notice cruise control. This Kombi has covered 25,834 miles. Moving to the centre of the dash, you will notice this van is fitted with a media screen with DAB radio. Next, I'd like to show you the media settings on the system. This Kombi is fitted with a CD player. It's also fitted with an SD card reader. It's also fitted with a USB port, which is here, and it's also fitted with an AUX port, which is here. This van is also fitted with Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone. If I pop the van into reverse, you will notice Park Pilot technology for your rear parking sensors. This will warn you of any obstructions when parking. Moving away from the media screen, you'll notice that this Kombi is fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. Here's a temperature control switch. It's also fitted with a 4-speed fan motor. Here's where you change the direction of the heat. This Kombi is also fitted with heated front and rear screens. Here we have some more handy storage with a 12-volt socket, and here we have the 6-speed gear stick. Now for a quick recap over my video. Here we have for you a Volkswagen Transporter Kombi. It's a short wheelbase, it's a Highline model, it's fitted with a 150 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 6-speed manual gearbox. If you'd like any more information on this 68 plate Kombi, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed video around the vehicle. The sales team will also be able to book you a test drive. They'll also be able to talk to you about any flexible finance options if needed. And thank you for watching.